The problem of an improper fit means that a bearing fits either too tightly or too loosely onto a shaft or into a housing. Evidence of an over-tight fit is this split inner race. The opposite extreme is this creep wear. The scoring is the result of the shaft turning within the inner bearing bore. This condition is known as fit rust or fretting, caused by moisture during time of fitting. In all cases of an improper fitting, the shafts and housings will require remachining or renewal before new bearings can be fitted. After the pause, we shall discuss damage caused by improper lubrication.